If your Ram 1500 is approaching 100,000 miles, there are three problems I see constantly in my shop that many owners never expect. Most of these trucks still feel strong at this mileage, which is exactly why many drivers completely miss the early warning signs. Working on Ram trucks every week, I can almost predict these failures just by looking at the mileage on the dashboard. The first problem usually starts with a small ticking noise coming from the 5.7 HEMI engine. Many owners think this sound is normal, but sometimes it's the early stage of lifter wear beginning inside the valve train. When lifters start wearing out, they can stop rotating correctly, which slowly begins damaging the camshaft. At first, the engine still runs perfectly fine, which is exactly why many drivers ignore the sound for months. But if the wear continues, that small ticking noise can eventually lead to a camshaft repair costing several $1,000s. The second issue we see very often around 100,000 miles involves the exhaust manifold bolts. These bolts experience extreme heat cycles and eventually begin snapping or loosening over time. When this happens, drivers often hear a ticking sound that sounds almost identical to engine noise. Many people assume it's harmless, but exhaust leaks can grow worse and require removing several components to repair. The third issue that appears frequently near 100,000 miles involves the cooling system. After years of pressure and heat, the water pump bearings can begin wearing out. Sometimes this starts with a small coolant leak or subtle overheating that drivers don't notice right away. Ignoring overheating is one of the fastest ways to cause serious engine damage. But the important thing to understand is that reaching 100,000 miles does not mean your truck is near failure. In fact, many 5.7 HEMI engines easily reach 200,000 miles or more. The difference usually comes down to recognizing small warning signs early. Small noises and minor leaks often appear months before real mechanical damage happens. Catching those issues early can save owners thousands of dollars in repairs. Experienced mechanics always recommend investigating new noises instead of assuming they are harmless. Most expensive engine repairs actually start as small problems that drivers ignored. Understanding what usually breaks around 100,000 miles gives Ram owners a huge advantage. Comment below your Ram 1500 mileage and tell me if your truck has passed 100,000 miles yet.